With the events of the Russian-Ukraine war happening right before our eyes, many of us are wondering how this war is going to affect our crypto portfolio. While it is impossible to predict what is going to happen, we can make guided guesses based on historical trends while considering recent events such as the Bitcoin winter, the rise of NFTs, and Metaverse. So here's what we think is going to happen. Feel free to skip ahead to the time segments of your interest, but I highly encourage you to watch this video in full so you can form your thoughts on this. This is not advice of any sort, we are just sharing our research and opinions. Thunder Squad fam, always do your own research. In this video, I will focus on the crypto and economy aspects of the war. First, here is what happened in the last week or so. Prior to the invasion, Bitcoin was already experiencing winter, trading at around $40,000 mark. As I was making this video, some of the Titan Squad fam thinks that it hasn't been confirmed to be in winter yet. However, it is also unclear whether we will see another bull run before the real winter sets in. This is also unknown due to the fundamentals of other investment instruments dip along with BTC due to fundamentals like the rates hikes and war. The price of Bitcoin fell below $35,000 early Thursday after Russian president announced a military operation in the Donbas region of Ukraine. Within 5 days, many individuals and DAOs have raised over $33 million for Ukraine. Although this is only 5% compared to the $650 million in weaponry the Ukrainian army received from the US last year, it has symbolic importance. The crypto donations are from individuals, not governments, and these show the level of popular support for Ukraine. These DAOs for war funds are quickly set up and they are being used to send resources to all those in need. On 2nd March, the US, UK, Canada and European Commission removed some Russian banks from SWIFT. This means that the Russian central bank is locked out of $643 billion of its reserves in foreign currency. The financial instability caused Russians to line up at banks to withdraw their savings. Because of the fall in the value of Ruble, millions of Russians lost a huge chunk of their net worth. Cryptocurrencies purchases in rubles are at its record high following Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Hence, everyone around the world is asking, could Russia get around these sanctions with cryptocurrency? Many analysts answered, maybe, because of the difficulty of mass adoption of crypto in the general public in these countries. I do not think it's a matter of can or cannot, but a matter of when. In times of crisis, if crypto is the only few options that you are left with, you will make it work. What is clear to me is that crypto has increased its utility and proven to the world that crypto is a financial tool. Yes, countries can respond with bans and restrictions against crypto, but do not forget, crypto is being used on both sides of the war. Also, efforts will be focused on the war, not clamping down on crypto. Here is what I will look out for in the next few days, weeks or months. First, has Russia and US ramped up Bitcoin mining? I could not find the latest energy consumption in Bitcoin mining for the past few days. Comment down below if you have sources for that, and we can benefit together with the knowledge. Number 2, what efforts are done by the people and government in both Ukraine and Russia to transition from fiat to crypto, now that they need to use it urgently? Number 3, how long will this war drag on? Obviously, no one knows. The longer this war takes, the more likely that the affected people will learn to adopt crypto, assuming more sanctions are coming in for Russia. Okay, I have spoken a lot on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is our big brother. Our second brother Ethereum is doing as well as Bitcoin. Just look at how the top 100 coins are performing in the last 7 days. They all follow Bitcoin's trend. Now, if I were to look at them from a category point of view, they are all performing mostly in the same way. When we look at GameFi and Metaverse, it is the same. Do I expect Play to Earn and GameFi coins to perform better than Bitcoin? Well, I'm hopeful. With the Ruble dropping drastically, I foresee there will be many people who will turn to P2E and GameFi projects to make an income for themselves. But we spoke about this before, it is not as straightforward to make an income with P2E. Of course, there are some exceptions, like Terra, also known as Luna coin. Here you can see Luna has grown against BTC. This is because it had a major protocol strengthening boost with the purchase of $1 billion worth of Luna tokens from some major VC crypto players. My learning here is that while we continue to watch for general market trends, for example what is happening to Bitcoin, we should also remember to watch out for fundamental news about the up and coming coins. I am very lucky to be one of those who got into Luna way before all of this. How about smaller promising altcoins? You all know I believe in being the first buyers of new projects. In my Moonbeam video, I talked about the importance of a low entry price. You can check it out right here. Yes, it is high risk, but it is also the most rewarding. You probably have smaller coins that have recently been unlocked. This Bitcoin pump might just be able to help you revive some of these altcoins. Use this opportunity to review your portfolio in the lens of utility and popularity potential, because these two are fundamental to the adoption of altcoins. Bitcoin winter has already happened since late December last year. For those small projects that you invested, did the development team continue to build their product? Or did they go quiet during this period? Are they on track to what they promised in the roadmap? I will be more confident if they continue to work hard on the project despite the market. This just means that they are in it for the long term. And for those who slowed down, do not write them off yet. They may have slowed down for strategic reasons. The important question here is to ask why. In summary, crypto adoption is likely to grow as the world is now witnessing its utility in times of crisis. Number 2, look out for outliers while keeping abreast of general news trends on Bitcoin. Number 3, review your portfolio and the project's development status. Are they on track? Thank you so much for staying till the very end of this video. If you guys find such news-based commentary useful, please help us by liking this video and comment below what are your predictions for the next few months. This is a safe space. It is only through sharing that we will learn together.